Righto, we're after, that's funny, we're after how many essays there were for each subject. So what table or tables do we need? Studies and subjects. So studies has got the essays and VHAs and all that, and subjects is the other one. You don't need any others, so don't bother with them. So studies.subjcode is equal to subjects.subjcode. Okay, this one I would hope that you've worked out you've got to do some grouping in it. So when we group it, what particular thing are we grouping it by? Okay, so a subject name. So it's a bit like getting all the IPT results and putting them in a pile, all the maths, all the geography, whatever. Whatever I've got here is great, but what else do I need to group it by? Do I need to group it by result?
No, you can just say and result.
So if I go subject name there, because remember blokes, whatever you have down here, you need to have up in your select, or it just doesn't like you. Okay, once we've got them in that bundle, what are we doing with them? Okay, so we're going to count the result. Will do, you could count subject name. Remember, count simply counts how many rows of data you have. It doesn't do anything special with that. So at the moment we've got that data there, which is what? So what's 14 mean for chemistry?
14 results.
There's 14 results. What was the little bit of criteria we had to add to this thing? Essays. Is SA something that exists in our database already? So how do you put a condition on something that already exists? It's in the where bit, isn't it? It's not a having. If we wanted to do something special with old mate on the back here that we made, so we have to make it, so we would use having. So we go and result equals SA. So now we're just looking at essays and do it that way. We could have grouped it by result as well. So if I included result down here,
Just show results in the table.
if I run that now, what will happen?
Just show results in the
It's
table.
not going to let you,
Why?
because you don't have results.
Okay. So you don't have to put it up there, but it's probably a good idea to actually have it there, because then you can see that they're essays or something.
So if you got rid of the group right now, if you got rid of the group right now,
Yep, that's right. So if I get rid of that now, so if I kill that temporarily, it'll tell me to get stuffed. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to, but oh yes you do, you do, yeah. So you've got to do it that way.
in the group, one has to be
Yep.
selected. It's the other way around.
Yeah, that's right.